This video shows how we can create a label that shows the mid station of a pipe regardless of the direction that's drawn in relative to the alignment. So in this case, this pipe has a start point starting here, and then an end point here, and then end point and start point. They just happen to be at the same location, which is at station 50. So my end result should have mid station of pipe at 0 plus 50. So to create this, I'm going to go to the settings tab, the pipe, label styles, plan and profile. And this is the existing label style, and I want to create a new expression to do the math for it. So this is going to be mid pipe stationing, and my stationing is going to be relative to the mainline alignment, not to the pipe. So I need to do a check because I either need to subtract half the pipe or add it. So I'm going to do an if, and I want to check my pipe start station. And if it's greater, well, let's do less than the pipe end station. So that's going to be an if then statement. And then I need to tell it what's going to happen if that's true. So if that's true, I'm going to take the pipe station and I'm going to add it to half the pipe distance. So I'm just going to copy the existing stuff up here. I'm going to subtract it, and I'm going to divide by 2. Now this could give me a positive or a negative value, and so I just want to make sure that it's absolute. And so I'll put it there. Actually, it needs to go there. All right, so I'm taking the pipes. If it's true, I'm going to take the pipe start station and add it. If my pipe's going the opposite direction, I'm going to put a comma at the end. And it's going to be a minus. And then a closing parentheses. So I just put spaces in here so it makes it easier to read. And since I'm looking for a station value, I'll put station for the format result. Now if I've done everything correctly, which I have no idea if I have, it should work out. So then I'm going to go and edit this label style. And I'm going to replace my question marks with the mid pipe stationing. And this pipe doesn't have its alignment set. And so I'm a little bit off due to rounding. I may have drawn my pipe in the slightly wrong spot, but now I get the same value regardless of where the pipe is along the pipe for the midpoint station of the 2 pipes. And that was my goal. My pipe goes past the beginning of the alignment, and that's why the label went away. So that's an expression to make sure that the midpoint stationing of the pipe is always the same.